Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need to download driver PIXMA. Driver Canon PIXMA. You're looking the serial. This here MegaTank, and your type here the driver download. Okay. Please wait. I am search the official website for you. Okay, this here the official website for you. Click here and please wait. Website loading. Okay, this here the for operating system for Windows, and you're liking a version, click here, and this here the version for Windows 11, and this here the Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, and Windows Vista. Not support Windows XP. Okay, this here the compatible uh, driver, and this here for Linux, click here. For Mac OS, click here, and you select operating system version, click here. This here the operating system for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 11.0, and this here the Mac 8, and this here the Mac 8.11. Okay, this here the operating system for Linux, click here, and this here for Linux, this here the version, and this version driver Linux, and this here for Windows, click here for Windows 11, and this here for Windows 11, click here. This video I am need to download driver Windows 11 disclaimer, and click Windows 11, and this here the serial full driver and software package, and this here a package for driver, and this driver support for printer, for scanner, and for fax, and for wireless, for much sport package driver. This here for that release update, you're looking here, and this new release update. Okay, click package software Windows 11 Canon. Okay, driver serial full driver package software Windows 11. This here for sport Windows, and this here outline, and operating system requirement, and this here is system requirement, and setup instruction. Your read here your instruction setup, and field information. This here the name field and field site. Okay, if you need install, if you need download, click I have a read and green and agree to the times. Okay, click here and click download. Please want driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for laptop or PC, Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you click run as the driver detect for USB cable printer. Okay, this here for click next and click finish. This detect automatic. If you need install for driver in your wireless, you connect the printer for the wireless and you look in the IP printer and you click run as the driver detect automatic for IP driver. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video. Bye bye.